Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure. Continuing with our web exploitation series, and today we'll be covering don't use client side. This has been covered in 2019 picoCTF. So you can go on this link. This is secure login portal. Enter valid credential. Admin. Verify incorrect password. Let's developer mode. Inspect, and let's see. Okay, we have okay. Uh, it looks like they have stored the password in the on the client side in a script, and that's why the title of the challenge is don't use client side, which makes sense. So we just have to type out the we have to make sure like we write in a proper order, because you can see this goes to 0 to split, then this is pointer reference, so then comes this. Maybe we can edit it here. I will write it here, pico ctf, then no underscore c ts, ls, then we have 706 c5, and I guess that's it. So this should be the flag password verify. So we can put this back here, and tada, we easily got 100 points. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.